Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 28. The following crops are fiber crops except A. Cotton, B. Onion, C. Jute, D. sisal. Now, the concept we are looking at here is fiber crops. Okay, fiber crops. And we're asked which amongst the options is not a fiber crops. Now, fiber crops are basically crops that are used for cloth manufacturing. So they have specialized features that are used in the manufacture of clothes, and examples of fiber crops include cotton, kenaf, sisal, jute, etc. So we have mentioned some examples of fiber crops in the definition we just gave, and some of them are amongst the options. Now, cotton, which we mentioned, is of course a fiber crop. Now, onion was not mentioned, and it is not a fiber crop. Onion is classified as a spice, or under the category of crops you call spices, and basically the function of that type of crop is, so spices are used to add flavor to food, and other examples of spices include ginger, garlic, etc. So onion is a spice and it is not a fiber crop, therefore it is the correct answer to the question, because we are asked which one is not a fiber crop. Now, the other ones, jute, we also mentioned as an example of fiber crop, and sisal, of course, we mentioned as a fiber crop. So option B, onion, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.